Hello, this is TJ Roberts Decorating. This is a job I did a few years ago now. It's one of my favourites. The ceiling had some lovely mouldings on. The only downside to it was that there was woodchip on the walls. All this was stripped off. The ceiling, walls and woodwork were prepared with dustless sanders before filling in ceiling cracks in the walls. After that, the walls were lined, the woodwork were all painted, the ceiling was painted, and then it was time to get some colour on the walls. This colour is stiffkey blue by Foreign Ball, which I think is a really nice colour. As you can see, I think it turned out really nice in the end. If you're looking for any painting and decorating work done, don't hesitate to contact me on www.tjrobertsdecorating.co.uk.